I need to warn you that before I give you the ultimate side hustle, the one side hustle that you should be doing and ignoring all the rest, I'm going to use a 4-letter word in this video, and that 4-letter word stops most people dead in their tracks when they start on the path or start down the path of trying to figure out how to create a side hustle and make some real money online. So what exactly is this side hustle? Well, let's start by understanding that the way that you get what you want is by doing what Zig Ziglar said. You can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. So that's exactly what you're going to be doing. You're going to be helping other people by using the oldest trick in the book, by helping them, by actually helping them. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to create helpful content and you're going to post it online. Now in this video, I'm going to give you the helpful content, the one that I recommend, the easiest one, the easiest way to get started to create this side hustle, this online side hustle that you're going to be doing that's going to be helping other people, and that's going to get you exactly what you want. And to do that, head over to Google and type in list of online tools. Before you hit enter, go ahead and just tap on the screen and take a look at this. List of online tools for teachers, list of online collaboration tools, booking tools, assessment tools, survey, marketing tools, communication tools, and meeting tools. Now for me, I'm in the world of online marketing. So creating content around the idea of doing online marketing and making money doing it is very appealing to me. And I'm telling you right now, this is a skill that you can learn and you can teach other people how to do it as well as you learn it. And as you do that, you create content, and that's giving people exactly what they need, giving them what they want. And when you do that, you're going to be able to get what you want. Now, you may not have any idea of what online tools are. So again, go back to Google and head over and check out an article like you see here from Inc.com, 10 essential online tools you should be using. Check out a slew of apps to streamline a range of functions, including project management, customer service, social media, and email. Scroll down through this article and just read about some of these online tools and what they do, from managing and collaborating more easily, streamlining social media, taking awesome notes, replace forms and tickets, test and improve call to actions, communicate smarter, and the list here goes on and on, as you can see. There's another article over at intergrowth.co, affiliate marketing tools, the 17 plus tools every marketer needs. Now this has probably already given you a hint of what this side hustle is, but I'm going to talk more about that in a second. Understand that you're creating helpful content that's going to help people online get the answers they need to learn how to use these tools. You're also going to have to put in a little bit of work. If you don't already know how to use these tools, learn these tools, share that experience, build an audience, and when you do that, you're helping people, and when you help people, you're going to get what you want. And at that point, what you're doing is you're going to be doing affiliate marketing, which is the #1 recommended, what I call the ultimate side hustle that you can start right now today. And it's very simple to get started. There's actually a link in the description. It'll take you over to free affiliate marketing training so you can learn exactly how to build a real business, which is exactly what this side hustle is. Building a real online business doing affiliate marketing. And in this case, you're going to be doing it around online tools and demonstrating how those online tools work and how people can use those online tools by making simple content on a website, posting the content on social media, here on YouTube, anywhere people are looking for questions or looking for answers to their questions. You're going to put your content out to the world, and when people find it and you help them, you're going to be rewarded by earning an affiliate commission. Before we get into that, let's look at some of these affiliate marketing tools. And there's 17 of them here that every marketer needs to know how to use. And that's going to be your job, is to take a look at this article, understand what these are, go through them, figure out how they work, and then create content about how you use them or how anyone can use them. And as you're learning and sharing this experience, by using the tools that you see here, people are going to reward you by simply clicking on the links that you provide to go over to these tools. They're going to buy those tools. That link is going to be what is called your affiliate link. And if you don't understand that, don't worry about it. At this point, your job is to simply learn and understand how to create good, helpful content. And then when you're inside that free training in the link in the description, you can learn all about how to link out to affiliate offers, build an email list, follow up with people, give them more content, more helpful content that's going to give them exactly what they need. As you're learning, you're going to be helping them, and that is the ultimate side hustle. And again, it does require some work. That's the 4-letter word that I was talking about in the beginning of this video, but this is not hard work. It's rather simple to get started. Like I said, all you have to do is click the link in the description. It'll take you over to free training where you can learn and understand exactly what affiliate marketing is. Turn this side hustle of learning of how to use these online tools and simply create content that helps people. And then when you help people and you give them what they need, you're going to get what you need. And that's really the basics of the side hustle and what affiliate marketing is all about. It really is simple, and you can really start today. Link in the description, check it out. Click that link. There'll be a video after you sign up with your email address. I'll tell you a little bit more about exactly what's going to happen. I look forward to seeing you over there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.